Good afternoon, dear. I trust we are doing great. So this afternoon we will in this lesson two. Okay, lesson two. We want to consider a program, okay, based on the selection construct. Okay. Now let's consider two brothers. Say um, Adams and Anthony. Adams is 10 years. Okay, and Anthony is 12 years. Okay. So we two brothers, two brothers example. So this is going to be our example one, of course. Example one. Then example two. We want to it's going to be on exam score of a uh, student. Okay. So whereby in this instance we'll be considering pass mark. Okay, and fail. Right. So if a student has from 40, okay, to 100, pass 0 to 39. That's the range we are given. Okay, so we are going to write a program, okay, based on the inputted score. We should check if student passed or failed. Okay, now so let's proceed. Anthony is, let's take note, Anthony is 10, and Anthony is 12, and Adams is 10. So our algorithms, we say we'll start with those doors. Okay, so every algorithm must definitely have a start. So we will now give says impute your age. Let's simply say impute age. Okay, then the next is after imputing the age, we want to check now. We want to check want to check is age equal 10. Now then it's two choices, either no or yes. Okay, now if it is okay, so we have it this way. So if it is if it is so if it is if it is so if it is there's no. Okay, so if it is this is true, it is yes that age is 10, then of course we check who is 10 years old actually. That's Adams. Okay, so it will display, of course. Sorry about that. It's to be displayed. Okay, display. So it display you are Adams. You are Adams. You are Anthony. Right. So depending on either of the outputs, is going to be a connector here. Okay, it's going to be a connector here. So I would say so. Of course, would terminate at this point. Okay, so let's terminate. So we are going to stop. So this brings us to the end of example 1, right? So I hope we can see this example 1. As this is the example 1 over here, and of course this is the question. Okay, I have a question here. Question: two brothers, Adams and Anthony. Then based on, we want to identify based on the age. We want algorithm to tell us who it is. Okay, and of course you may want to put Anthony. You are Anthony and older. Okay, let's update this older and younger. Okay, the younger of the two brothers. So you may want to add younger here. Just make sure everything, accommodates the table. So you are Anthony and Older, you are Adams and Younger, right? So I guess this is it. Okay. So this is the whole algorithm here, right? Yes, we can see that. So this is the algorithm here. So this is the algorithm. Okay, that's the flow chart. This is it here, and then this is the complete here, right? So let's proceed to our example two now. Example two. So it's also similar to example two. Will be similar to just the example we've had now. Okay. Um. Right. Same time. Hasting up. Right. So example two. So example two is we want to determine the pass mark of a student, whether a student failed or passed. Okay, based on the imputed score. Right. So we would have this. Alright, as our terminal symbol. And the next is we're going to prompt the user for an input. Okay, so there's going to be an input or input here. Okay. Use this. Okay. So impute score. Of course, is going to be start. The next space is to update this, right? Good. Impute score. The next is we are going to have a decision based on the score. Okay. Uh, okay. So it's going to be is score. Okay. Is score greater than or equals to equals to 40. So if proceeds on two parts, if yes, if yes, and no. So if it is a yes, of course it should display you passed. Okay, it should display you what? You passed. You should display that you passed. Okay. Uh, so it should display So it's going to be a connector. Okay, so see, so of course here you passed, of course here is failed, and of course we stop. Okay, so basically seeing these two basic algorithms that shows selection. All right, so in subsequent programming courses we shall be implementing these algorithms, right? So if there is any question, you are free to post in the comment section below. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead. This is the algorithm before I close. This is the first one, this is the second one here. Vividly to see. Okay, first one. And of course, this is the second one here, right? So, God bless you.